Hello everyone, this is one more interesting video. Okay, and this video is related with the CSIR NET exam 2023 June paper. Okay, in which I'm going to solve the 4 marks questions. Okay, and hope you learn something from this video and try to share this video with your friends and try to discuss amongst each other so that your concept regarding this paper is clear and you are able to understand the things properly. And if you have any doubt or any query, you can put the things in the comment box. I will try to answer and solve your questions if you have any. Okay, now the first question. Okay, the first question is a sample of the natural beach sand has quartz and shell fragments. Okay, as the dominant minerals, the sample cannot be from. Okay, Maldives, Andaman, Nicobar, okay, Kerala and Madagascar. This question seems very easy, okay, but if you don't understand the how to reach the answer, okay, for that you need some basic concept, okay, otherwise it take only hardly a 1 second. If you know the basic concept, you can answer directly within a 1 second, okay. So how to reach this question, okay, and I will add more information. I will not solve only this question, I will add more information, okay, because this question is very interesting, okay. So this just showing the rough sketch of Indian map. Okay, here we are getting Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, and here we are getting our Maldives. Okay, Andaman, and this is our Kerala part. Okay, and here we are getting Madagascar. Okay, now where we will get, okay, we'll just dark it so you will not confuse. Here we are getting. Now one thing remember, okay, these Andaman Nicobar Islands are formed due to collision. One plate is going beneath the other, and both plates are oceanic. Okay, when this plate is going beneath the other low density plate, okay, they form a trench, and in this trench we are getting sediments. Okay, we're getting sediments from the nearby continent. Okay, and in this we are getting sandstone, fish type of deposit. Okay, in which sandstone, silt, shale, all those things are present. Okay, why I'm writing all those things? It is related with each other. Okay, we're getting these things. Okay, and here we are also getting Andaman ophiolitic sequence. Okay, also remember that ophiolitic sequence. Okay, it means the protected part of the oceanic crust. Okay, now it means we are getting sandstone, and if we are getting sandstone, it means quartz is there. Okay, means quartz is there. Okay, now if we are reaching at Kerala, the whole terrain is granitic terrain. We'll get quartz here also at the beaches. Okay, and if we are talking about Madagascar, it is also means during the continental drifting, this part is separated from the, okay, this part. Okay, and the same setup of rocks are also present at the Madagascar. Okay, the rocks that are present at Kerala and part of the Karnataka, we're getting the same setup of rock at at this Madagascar. But okay, so we are getting quartz around this. Okay, now talking about Maldives. Okay, if we talk about Maldives, okay, it is formed due to hotspot activity. Okay, okay, which hotspot you mention? Okay, the name of the hotspot you mention. Okay, this is for you. Name, if you know, you mention in the hotspot. Okay, hotspot name. Okay, due to that, the Deccan trap activity. Okay, took place. Okay, and there is a chain. Okay, tell me the name as well as the present position of this hotspot, either it is present within the Indian plate or not. Okay, if it is not present within the Indian plate, which plate? Okay, just mention. Okay, plate name also. Okay, this kind of questions they generally ask in the question means in the exams. Okay, now from these, okay, I will add one more point: coral reefs. Okay, coral reefs. Where we get the coral reefs now? If you know the coral reefs needs to be clear water, a particular set of temperature. Okay, need a clear water. Okay, if we look at the Andaman part, okay, we are getting sediment supply from Ganga, Brahmaputra. Okay, all those streams that are flowing because most of the streams of India are flowing toward the eastern side. Okay, due to the tilting of the Indian plate. Okay, only the few of the rivers are flowing toward the west. Okay, so there is so much sediment supply in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, due to that, the coral reefs are not able to develop properly in the Andaman Nicobar part. Okay, but in the Maldives part, we are getting a well developed coral reefs. Okay, I remember this point also. Okay, because this question, uh, asked me in the interview, okay, why we are not getting coral reefs at Andaman and we are getting well developed coral reefs at these Maldives. Okay, so coming back to our question, the quartz and shale fragments or the dominant sample cannot be from. So our answer is Maldives. Okay. So in this way, you reach the question. Okay. But if you have that idea, you can directly answer the question. But uh, the questions related with nets are not that easy. Okay, they are not bookish question. Okay, they just try to check your knowledge. Okay, how much knowledge you have and how you are correlating the things that is they want to know from you. In this way, they are set up the paper. Okay, so we are going to the next question now. So in the next question, which of the following statement is correct? Okay, we have to find out the correct one. Okay, the first one is the first option: the general formula of paraffin in series in CnH2n. This formula is correct. Actually, here we have a plus 2 also. This is the correct formula. Okay, try to remember this formula for future. Okay. Next, condensate is a type of heavy crude oil. Okay. Actually, condensate is not for heavy crude. It is for light crude oil. Okay. And this paraffin series is saturated. Okay. Saturated hydrocarbons. Okay. And it is a major, constituent of natural gas as well as petroleum. Okay, major constituent. Major constituent. Okay, and okay, in this condensate is a type of light crude oil, and it is and one more point in it, its API. Its API is high. Okay, API is American Petroleum Institute to measure the density of oil. Okay, how they measure the density of oil. Okay, so remember that condensate crude oil is a light crude oil and whose API is high oil. Okay, next third option is asphalate. Is a type of light crude oil. No, it is a type of heavy crude oil. Okay, okay, and it form due to it is a product byproduct. Okay, it is a byproduct of byproduct of crude oil distillation. Okay, and we call it as bitumen or the tar also. Okay, and fourth option is the formula of toluene is, and this is the correct one. Okay, so this is the correct option. Okay, and here it is heavy crude oil, so it means its API is low. Okay, remember this. So in the next question, okay, there are some four chemical reactions and four processes are given. Okay, weathering and carbonate precipitation. Okay, these are the terms that we are read in geology. Okay, mostly. Okay, this photosynthesis and anaerobic respirations are we heard it from our basic classes. Okay, so first we will start with weathering. Okay, a rock. Okay, a rock may be sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic. Break. Okay, and deposit in new place and form again a rock. Okay, okay, and these the parent rock may be silicate or carbonate. Okay, and when it break, okay, silicate break and convert it into a new, okay, new rock. Okay, sedimentary rock. Okay, so If we look at the option, we need a silicate, okay? Silicate mineral to break a rock, okay? So here we have CaSiO3. And if you know the chemical composition of this mineral, just write the name of that mineral in the comment box, okay? And if now this mineral, silicate mineral, is break down, okay, into Ca and these two acids, okay? Okay, and this is in solution, okay? Now if these two will again react with each other, okay, we'll get this from here, and if these two will react again, we will get CaCO3, which is a carbonate, okay? So Q is for weathering, and this AP is for carbonate precipitation. And on the basis of that, our answer is second one, okay? And photosynthesis, okay, when CO2 means carbon dioxide, nitrogen, phosphorus, water, okay, and the elements like iron, zinc, all those combined with sunlight, we will get glucose, okay? We call this process as a photosynthesis, and when this glucose is breakdown, we call it as anaerobic respiration, okay? I solved on the basis of weathering and carbon precipitation, okay, because it is related with the geology, okay, because similar type of questions might come in the further exams, okay.